Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make dry butterfly pea flowers ginger tea. This is a very healthy drink and an immunity booster. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a saucepan. Into this add 2 cups of water. Keep the flame on medium throughout the process. When the water comes to a boil, add 4 dry butterfly pea flowers. This butterfly pea flower is a common ingredient in almost all the herbal teas. It is very rich in antioxidants, helps to reduce weight, better sugar control and improves hair and skin health. This flower also helps in relieving stress and treats insomnia. Let this boil for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes the water is nicely boiling. To this add 1 piece of ginger. Let this again boil for 2 minutes. Ginger is loaded with antioxidants, fights against chronic diseases, reduces high blood pressure and good for your heart. We are not going to add any sweetening ingredient in this tea today. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this butterfly pea flowers ginger tea is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. It's been 2 minutes and the flavors of the ginger and butterfly pea flowers has come together very well. Then off the flame and finally add a teaspoon of lemon juice and let this rest for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, strain the butterfly pea flowers ginger tea and serve it nice and hot. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this butterfly pea flowers ginger tea recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.